Hey guys, welcome to IT Facts. Today in this video, I am going to explain you the concept of mail merge. So how to implement mail merge in OpenOffice Writer document. This is the fifth session in Unit 1, that is Digital Documentation Advanced. It is very simple, very interesting one. So what is mail merge? So mail merge is nothing but sending a sending a single document to multiple recipients at a time. So you need not to send for example, you are having any document you want to send to multiple people. So what you need to do, you have to type the recipient's name every time. You have to attach the document, right? So every time you have to give the address of the recipients and you have to send them individually, right? But this is the concept of sending the single documents to multiple recipients at a time. So very simple. So all you need is, in order to implement mail merge, you need to have a main document. For example, main document is nothing but the document or the whatever the letter or invitation card you want to send, and address list to whom you want to send the particular address document or invitation card. So what is mail merge? It is a way to take a letter you have written and send it to a whole bunch of people. So personalizing it with information about them, so they might think that you have typed the letter personally for them. So what happens? What is the advantage of this mail merge? It gets a feeling that we have typed the letter for them only. Personally, we have typed the letter for them. This is the advantage of mail merge. So without any further delay, let's get into the implementation of mail merge, right? This is the document on which I want to implement the mail merge. So my document contains, this is the information regarding the parent-teacher meeting. So I have formatted my letter in such a way that it contains the subject line as parent-teacher meeting, and here after dear I want to display name, after that address and mobile number. So how to implement mail merge, let us see now. Click on go to tools menu, select the option mail merge wizard. You will be redirecting to one more window, that is mail merge wizard, which contains 8 steps. So we will see one by one each step. In the first step, select the starting document. In that, so which document you want to select, that is you want to use the current document, create a new document, or start from the existing document. Like you are having different options. So I am ready with my document now, so I am selecting the use current document option. Click on next and select the document type. So it is asking me to select the type of the document, so I will select the letter, and that is insert address block. The third step is insert address block. In that we have to select the address list. So here select the address list. These are all the different address lists which are available right now for me. No, I don't want to go with this existing address list. I will create a new address list in order to show you. So these are all the fields which contains in the address list. No, I don't want to use all these lists, so I will go for customize option. First of all, I will remove all the fields which are available. Then I can go for I will go with the new. I will create the new fields like name field I will create. Click on add. Next, address field I will create. Again click on add, and the last field is phone number. Click on add. These are the three fields which I want to display on my mail merge document. After finishing the fields, click on OK. You will be getting this window which is asking you to the details. Fill the details in that fields. So here how many number of recipients you want to send, you can write those many number of recipient information here. Recipient details you have to give here. I am giving here Sonu Singh. address is Hyderabad, phone number, and for the first one I am inserting like Shyam Kumar. Address is Hyderabad, phone number is, I am entering some phone number. Click on new again. So second field you will get Sonu. See, address again Hyderabad, phone number, and click on new. First one is Sam Kumar, the second one is Sonu Singh, third one, the third details is Siri Kaur. Again I am giving the address as Hyderabad only, phone numbers and number I will give, and I will click on OK. Now I am done with the 3 address list, and here it is asking me to give the file name. I will name it as address. I am saving it in the documents folder. Click on save. So as soon as I say OK, here it will be displaying. Here it is. Click on OK. See again the selected one is address. Now the second block is this document shall contain an address block. So this is if you click on more, these are all the fields which you want to display in the mail document, right? For if you want to customize, you can go for the edit option. So these are all the in my document I am having name, so I am selecting first name, address line, and if you don't want to these to be displayed, you can simply remove and you can choose from here. I am selecting first name. No, I will display it as first only. Next time I will go for address line 1, add, I will add that also. I will bring it down, and telephone private, this also I will add, I will bring it down. So these 3 fields I would like to add in the mail merge document. Click on OK. Here also click on OK. So this one I have selected, and match fields. So for the first name, select the name, match with the name, and for address line 1, match with address, and for telephone number private, match with phone. See here, you can see the preview will be displayed here. If you observe, click on OK. Next, click on next. Here create salutation. So I don't want to create any salutations. You can simply click next. Next layout also, if you want to change, you can change. Otherwise, you can simply click next. Here also edit document. If you want to do any modifications, you can do here. So like this, you can modify the document. Again, click on the return to wizard, mail merge wizard. It will take you to the mail merge wizard again. Click on next. It is asking you to create individual documents. Click on next. Next, the last step is save, print or send. Now I will save the document. Click on the save starting document option. So I give here the name as mail merge new. I am giving the name as mail merge new. Click on save. Now again click on the finish option. Now you can see that 3 documents have been created here. 3 different documents. We can observe that, we can feel that the document is typed for this particular recipient only, Sam Kumar. Here Sonu Singh. The third document is Siri Kaur. So we are getting a feeling that this document is typed individually for them only. This is the beauty of the mail merge document. It is very simple. You can implement by your own. You just try it once or twice. You will feel very easy. That's all about mail merge. Hope you guys understood the concept. If you like the video, just don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.